Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix some pineapple sweet potato muffins. My son brought me a lot of sweet potatoes Christmas and I really need to use them up. What we need is going to be 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoonful of cinnamon, 1 egg, half a cup of cold mashed potatoes. And I've already baked these potatoes, so all I've got to do is get a half a cup, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup or 1 can of crushed pineapple. And you need to preheat your oven to 375. Now you can either spray your pan with Pam, or you can use these little muffin cups. And since I'm going to take these away from the house, I always think it just looks a little bit more nicer to have them in a cup. So we're going to get the cups ready, and I have got my oven on. It hasn't preheated yet. It's trying, but you'll let me know in just a moment. Okay, I have got my pan ready. So let's just mix up the ingredients. Just peel my potato and get a half a cup of sweet potatoes. Beat up my egg just a little bit so it will blend in good. I've already got the sugar measured out, so we're just going to put that in there. And then we're going to use 2 cups of flour. We're just going to stir the sugar and the flour together. You need a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. A half a cup of milk. I hear my stove's just gone off, so that's ready to go. Half a cup of sweet potatoes, and they're cold because they, as you can see, they don't want to mash up. But that's okay. 1 egg that I have just beat just a little bit, and a half a cup of milk, get this all stirred up together. And I think I forgot to tell you that you need a fourth a stick of melted butter, and I like these sticks of butter that tells you that this is a 1/4 a cup. So you just add your butter. That really loosened it up a little bit. And you need your pineapple. Always use your pineapple at the very last. And you just sort of fold it in a little bit. Don't over mix it, over stir it. But just so you sort of get it blended in. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you subscribe my channel. Okay, got it all blended in, and all you have to do, you need to fill your muffin things half full. And I'm going to put them in the oven, and we're going to cook them for 20 minutes. And so I'm going to set my timer to 20 minutes. In the meantime, since I've got so much left, I'm going to get another muffin pan. Okay, I have let them cook 5 more minutes, and they do look better. Oh yes, they are definitely better. So, what we're going to do now, my little mini muffins in the stove, I'm going to go ahead and set these for 20 minutes, simply because they're not as thick as these, so it may not take no longer than that. In the meantime, I'm going to take these out, and we're going to see what one of them looks like. Tom really taught me real well to always have a sink full of water, so when you get one thing empty, you put it in there to wash it. So let's just open this up and let's see what we have got. Okay, I made a pan full of the mini muffins. They really turned out real well. They look better, than the ones paper liner. Let's see how easy they are to get out. Oh yes, these are so much better. So I would definitely do the mini. Okay, I made a pan full of the mini muffins. They really turned out real well. They look better than the ones that was in the paper liner. Let's see how easy they are to get out. Oh yes, these are so much better. So I would definitely do the mini